Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to write a crossed-out message in WhatsApp on your PC. It's a simple and fun way to add emphasis to your chats. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Step 2. Go to the desired chat where you want to send the crossed-out message. Step 3. Type in the message you want to send. It can be anything you like. Step 4. Now, here comes the magic. To cross out the message, type a tilde, wax, symbol at the beginning and end of the message. For example, if your message is message, type tilde message tilde. Step 5. If you want to move the cursor above the crossed out text, simply select the text and hover the cursor over it. Step 6. Finally, choose the crossed out icon from the menu that appears. It's usually located at the top of the screen, and there you have it. Your crossed out message is now ready to be sent. It's a great way to express sarcasm, humor, or even to correct yourself. Remember, this feature is only available on WhatsApp for PC. So make sure you're using the desktop version to enjoy this cool trick. That's all for today's tutorial on how to write a crossed-out message in WhatsApp on your PC. We hope you found it helpful and fun to use. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting tutorials like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Happy crossing out. Bye.